Hello students, let us continue with exercise 3.3 NCERT of the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. We did question number 1 in the last video. Now let us do question number 2. Now question number 2 is solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24 and hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus c. Now children, if this question comes in the examination, this pair of linear equations can solve by any of the methods, either by elimination method, cross multiplication method or substitution method. But till now, till exercise 3.3, only substitution method is explained. So we will be doing this pair of linear equations, solving this pair of linear equations by substitution method. But again I repeat, if it is given in the examination, you can do by any of the methods, and hence after getting the value of x and y, you substitute in y equals to mx plus 3 and get the value of m. So let us start. Given system of linear equations are 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus of 4y equals to minus of 24. See, by elimination method I could have subtracted it directly and this x term cancel, we could have got y directly. But again I repeat, till 3.3 only substitution method is explained. So let us start now. Equation 1 implies 3y equals to 11 minus of 2x implies y equals to 11 minus of 2x by 3. Let us make it equation number 3. Substituting y equals to 11 minus of 2x by 3 in equation 2, we get 2x minus of 4, 11 minus of 2x by 3 equals to minus of 24. This implies 2x minus of 44 minus of 8x by 3 equals to minus of 24. This implies 6x minus of 44 plus of 8x equals to 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6, 1 7. So minus of 72. This implies 8 6 14 equals to minus 72 plus 44. This implies x equals to 8 and over here 6 minus 4 is 2, minus of 28 by 14. So this implies x equals to minus 2. Now putting x equals to minus 2 in any of the equations, suppose 1, we get 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into y equals to 11. This implies 3y equals to 11 plus 4 equals to 15. This implies y equals to 15 by 3 equals to 5. Therefore, x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 5. This is the first part. Now for the second part, to get the value of m, where shall I do? Let me do here. Now y equals to mx plus 3 implies 5 equals to m into minus 2 plus 3. This implies minus of 2m equals to 5 minus of 3. This implies m equals to 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by minus 2 equals to minus 1. Thus we get x equals to minus 2, y equals to 5 and m equals to minus 1. Answer. Let us go to question number 3. Question number 3 says that form the pair of the linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. And subpart number 1 is the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other, find them. I think its solution is easy. Let the two numbers be x and y. Difference is given 26, so x minus y equals to 26. Also it is given that one number is 3 times the other. So we have got two relations, x minus y equals to 26 and x equals to 3y. Now substituting this value of x in equation 1, we get 3y minus y equals to 26. This implies 2y equals to 26, implies y equals to 13. Therefore, putting this value of y in either of 1 and 2, we will be getting the value of x. Therefore, equation 2 implies x equals to 3y. So 3 into 13, because y we have got as 13. So 3 into 13 is 39. And therefore, the answer is x equals to 39 and y equals to 13. Answer. Question number 3, subpart number 2 is the larger of the two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So let the two angles be x degree and y degree. Now they are supplementary angles. So according to question, supplementary angles means their sum is 180 degree. Now one more condition is given also. The larger of the supplementary angles, let us suppose x is larger, you can suppose y is larger. The larger of the two supplementary angles, so let us suppose x is larger, so x exceed the smaller equals to y plus of 18. Exceed the smaller by 18 degrees. You can also write as x minus y equals to 18. The larger of the angle exceed the smaller by 18. So either you write in this form or this form, both are similar. So x equals to y plus 18 or x minus y equals to 18. Now let us make it equation 1 and this as equation number 2. Putting x equals to y plus 18 in equation 1, we get y plus of 18 plus of y equals to 180 degree. This implies 2y equals to 180 minus of 18 equals to 10 minus 8 is 2 and 7 minus 1 is 6 and 162 degree. This implies y equals to 81 degree. Therefore, x equals to y plus of 18 from 2 implies x equals to 81 plus of 18 equals to 99. Therefore, x equals to 99 degree and y equals to 81 degree. Answer.